Meaning of emigrate.
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 Emigrate. The word emigrate means to leave one's country or region to settle in another. This can be due to various reasons such as seeking better opportunities, escaping persecution, or joining family members. The result of emigrating differs from person to person and can include adjusting to a new culture, language, and way of life, feeling homesick, building new relationships, and creating a new sense of identity. For some, emigrating can lead to a better quality of life, whereas for others it can be a difficult and challenging experience.